Hello and welcome to part 2 of this very quick introduction on how to create story maps in ArcGIS Online. In part 1 of this video, we created a couple of different web maps bringing in data from the Living Atlas that show two different demographic data sets for the city of Bristol. What we're going to do in this video is show you how to incorporate those maps alongside some other information into a new story map in ArcGIS Online. So from the ArcGIS Online homepage, you can access story maps through the waffle up in the top right hand corner. This will take you through to your story map collection. From here you can select New Story and start creating your story map in the Story Builder. And here we are. So first thing I'm going to do is give my story map a title. And because we like our story maps to look good, I'm going to add in a background image that I downloaded earlier as well. There we go, so our story map is off to a good start. From the Design tab at the top there, you can select a number of different options and you can explore different themes, colours and fonts and layouts for your story map. I'm going to leave it as the default for now. As you scroll down then, this is your main content area where you can start to add in different media. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of text, and it's usually a good idea to write this out in Microsoft Word first and then cut and paste this into your story map. There we go, so that's pasted in, and you'll see that that also contained a hyperlink and that's carried through as well. So next I'm going to add in a web map, and I'm going to add in one of the ones that we created earlier. So from the little add icon in the main content area, you can add in a number of different things, different styles of text and bullet and numbered lists, as well as different media as well. So I'm going to select map. This will take you through to all of the maps that you have created in ArcGIS Online, and you can see here's the two we created in part 1 of this video. So I'm going to select the first one. You'll see it will let you do some customization to the map before you add it in, but I'm just going to go in and straight away place the map into the story map. And there we go. So I'm also going to add in a graphic that I downloaded earlier from the Bristol Council site. So I'm going to now add an image. And that's added straight in as well. And you remember in the second map we added some qualifications data as well, and because the IMD, the Index of Multiple Deprivation, is made up of lots of different components, education being one of them, I thought it would be useful for my students to be able to compare those two data sets side by side. So this time, rather than adding in a map straight away, I'm going to add in a swipe tool. And you can see here, this gives you the option to add in two separate web maps. So first off, I'm going to add in my IMD map, just as I did before. And now I'm also going to add in my other map, the Bristol qualifications data. And you'll see now that this has created a handy little tool that my students can use to compare these two spatial data sets. So that's a very quick run through of the story builder in ArcGIS Online. Most of what you need can be accessed either through the design tab or through the little plus icons as you go through and create your story map. I hope you found that useful, and just a very quick run through of some of the key features that you can do in the Story Map Builder. And if you would like to find out more or have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.